Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off notification history in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to notifications and here select advanced settings and here select notification history and just here you will see what are all the notifications that you have received previously. Okay, if you want to turn off notification history, yes, you can do it. Just turn off this button and click on turn off here and notification history will be disabled. Now you will not get your old notification. Okay, suppose if you want to enable notification history hereafter, just turn on this button and previous notifications will not be shown here, only recent notifications will be showing. Okay, that is suppose if you go turned off notification history during those time, what are the notifications available, that will be deleted automatically, and if you turn on again, fresh notification will be only available here. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn on or turn off notification history in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.